Yeah, I'm working on my line weight. Line weight. Oh, that's not what you meant? Hello and welcome to another Vanquish Studio tutorial. And today we're going to be talking about line weight because I'm going to be inking Iceman. But before I ink Iceman, I just want to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now we're going to start off with inking, and I'm going to show you how to change the line weight to add some variety to your art. So what is line weight? Line weight is changing the thickness of your lines. So they go from thick to thin, and they add a variety to your image. So it doesn't all look the same, and it isn't all static. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I need to ink this Iceman. I drew an Iceman. It looks pretty cool. And I'm going to be using Faber-Castell. These are my favorite inking pens. And then, of course, what I'm going to ink with first is the F. Right there, you'll see there's an F. And I'm just going to do the outline. I'm going to do the outline. That's basically it. Okay, now that I've got my basics down, now I'm going to go back into it and I'm going to change the line weight. Because right now, the line weight is not changed. Right now, the line weight is all one thickness, and that's it. So to add variety, I'm going to change my line weight, and I'm going to make parts of this thicker and parts of this thinner. Okay, now if you look at this, you will see that there is variety in the line. So we've got thick and thin, and it adds variety to your line making, and that's what you want. Okay, I hope you found that video helpful, and I will see you next Friday.